to that position. On top of that, now we can actually specify, again, a transformation. And all this document flow stuff is still in play. A lot of times it's easier to go ahead and pull the markup elements out of the flow before you start actually applying these, because if you start mixing the concepts, it can be pretty tough. I mentioned transform before. I'm going to kind of speed through these. Translate 3D, rotate 3D, scale, these are actually the CSS values that you can specify. And all these have different parameters, whether or not you're specifying in degrees or XYZ. The Z is for you guys, so we don't say Z in the US. Those vary depending on how you're actually specifying. And the last one here is probably the most misunderstood, which is the matrix 3D, which is a 4x4 matrix. All of these are actually this, okay? If you do a get computed style, after you set one of these properties, you're going to read back a 4x4 matrix. So that's important to understand. And you can also rotate and scale and skew. You'll never use skew, or translate. And you can actually compound them on a single element. And then it multiplies them together, and ultimately you get a 4x4 matrix. So, and you can't mix, right? It's not commutative. So keep that in mind. So in 1825, I looked that up, a person named August Mobius introduced the concept, introduced the idea of doing homogeneous coordinates. And we've been working in Cartesian space, doing Euclidean space for years. And he introduced a way to sort of represent the concept of infinity